Today, we're going to be hunting birds with my boy Zach.
Oh,
let's get it. See you in a minute.
Zach has spotted a bird. So now, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Shoot it, shoot it. Zach's gonna shoot it. Alright, he's right there. Oh, he just flew away. Alright, we're gonna go chase him. Let's go. Zach, come on. Zach, come on. Alright, we're gonna go see if we can spot it. See you in a minute. We're gonna see if we can spot it. See you in a minute, spotted him. He's gonna shoot him. I think he missed. Did you miss? He missed. Alright, we're gonna go try to get a second shot on this boy. Alright, let's go. I don't like this gun. Here, use this one. This is better. Alright, we're trading guns. Here, where's the ammo for this? Alright, so we're just using guns. He's right over there. You see him? He's right over here somewhere. I see him, but here, take the camera. He's right there. He should be right there. Alright. Well, looks like we lost him. He's gone. I don't see him. So, on the next spot, Hyperion bound. Shoot him at the car. Smoke. Boom. I think we got ourselves we're good assassins, so trust us. We are under the protection of the law. Oh, Zach, there's people.
Find anything today, but when you're hunting, you never always find anything. Ain't that right, Zach?
That is correct.
Yeah, but we did have a few chances, but we still did miss. But hunting, you don't always get something. Peace.